Tutorial: CLP Touch Display Basic Operation. The tutorial refers to the CLP Touch Operation Manual Chapter 3.7. This tutorial will introduce you to the main functions of the CLP Touch display. You will learn main operations like how triggering an extra lubrication cycle and displaying basic pump information like operation time, motor temperature, and warning or error messages. How to exit the screensaver. To exit the screensaver, swipe the home icon to the right. How to trigger additional lubrication. To trigger additional lubrication, swipe the drop icon to the left. How to display lubrication events. To display lubrication events, press log icon, and then info. Press the shovel icon and then the calendar icon, to switch between the date and duration of an event. To display more lubrication events, press the arrow keys. You can go back to the home screen by pressing the home icon. How to display total operating hours, date and time. To display lubrication events, press log icon and then the clock icon. How to display the motor temperature. To display motor temperature, press log icon and then the thermometer icon. How to display warning messages. To display recorded warning messages, press the log icon and then warning. Press the shovel icon and then the calendar icon to switch between the date and duration of an event. Use the arrow keys to display more warning messages. How to display error messages. To display recorded error messages, press the log icon and then error. Press the shovel icon and then the calendar icon to switch between the date and duration of an event. To display the total time of pump errors, press the clock icon. How to view the current working mode. To display the current working mode, press the set icon, and then on the next screen set and view settings. Use the checkmark icon to view all details of the current mode. How to display the pump information. To display pump information, press set icon and then info. Read the CLP Touch Operation Manual for more information.